So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of 3D text effect with using Element 3D plugin. So firstly guys, now guys create new solid layer, this one. Yeah. And guys layer name E3D. Yeah. Press OK. Guys frame, that's my frame. I use 20 seconds. So guys select this E3D layer and go to here effect and use Element 3D plugin, this one. Yeah. And guys click on here screen setup, click. Yeah, see guys, that's my screen setup. Okay, so now guys see, that's my motion design 2, this one. And I apply some objects, so go to mesh, this one. And guys I like this one, select and like this. Yeah, I like this one, right? Okay, so next one guys, go to here piston and take this one. Yeah, and go to here guys. Now I change color, this one color. So go to here presets and go to physical, select this gold material and apply like this. Yeah, beautiful. And guys also apply on here. Yeah, right, see. Okay, so guys select this gold material and now guys you can change also color. I like red, like this. Yeah, I like this one, right? Okay, so alignment, guys go to here like this. Yeah, okay. So guys select this piston and duplicate, Control D, copy and go to on here on right side. Yeah, better, right? See guys, that's my layer 1. See, that's my layer 1 and now I create second one. So again click on here this one group and unchild. Yeah, see guys, that's my folder 1 and second one folder 2. Yeah, and guys take some more objects like this. I like this one. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, so now guys select this one and change orientation like this one. Yeah, see, right? It's really good. Okay, see guys, that's my layer 1, this one, and select this one, that's my layer 2. Yeah, that's it. So click on here, press OK. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys go to here group 1 and go to here particle here and guys see, that's my particle count like 50. Yeah, and guys use spherical, this one. Yeah, see, right? Okay, and guys sphere scale size like double 20. Yes, and guys see, that's my shape option. Guys layer I like 2. Yeah, and guys layer distribution like 0. Yeah, see guys, right? That's my cool effect. Okay, so now guys go to here rotation. I create rotation animation, so go to rotation. Yeah, go to 0 frame. Guys see, that's my rotation and rotation keyframe check, all check. And guys I go to 20 second and guys rotation like 1 and 1 and 1. Yeah, see guys, that's my keyframe. So go to back and guys preview. So guys go to back like this. Guys, that's my so much heavy particles. My system getting slow. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple effect. So guys, you can change also resolution, this one, and go to again back and play. Yeah, right. Okay, so now all is good. So stop this animation and use auto. Yeah, so guys, go unfold all, and this time I go to particle look. Yeah, and guys go to here, rotation, particle rotation. Yes, and see guys, I also create this one particle rotation effect. So guys, that's my X rotation particle, check, Y check, and Z1 check. Yeah, so go to 20 second, 20, and same guys, 1 and Y1 and Z1 1. Yeah, so go to back and guys preview. Yeah, right. Okay, see guys, that's my simple particle effect and rotation animation. Now guys, second one, I create this one wheel rotation effect. So stop this animation. So go to 0 frame and stop. Guys, this time I go to group 2, this one, and closer. So guys, now I take camera, use camera. Yeah, and use 35mm camera. Yeah, and press C and closer. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this E3D layer and go to group 2. Yeah, and guys, particle look. Yes, and guys, particle rotation. Yeah, and see guys, that's my Z1 rotation like this. Okay guys, 0 frame, change like this. Yeah guys, I change Z rotation particle. So go to 0 and Z rotation particle, check. Yeah, and go to last one, 20 second, and guys, this time Z rotation particle I like 10. Yes, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful effect. Guys, my system getting little bit slow. Okay, so now stop and preview. Yes, right. Okay, so all is good. Guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply some glow effect. So go to render setting and guys go to shadow check. Yeah, check, and guys go to ambient occlusion check, and guys use high. Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay, so guys, select this E3D layer and duplicate, Control D. Yes, and rename like 2, E3D 2, and go to output and guys show to change illumination. Yes, it's really good, right? Okay, so guys, I change mode use add. Yeah, and guys also second one, that's my first one, both mode change to add. Yeah, and guys apply glow effect. So go to here, effect and presets, select and apply on second one. Yeah, and guys threshold 100 and radius 100. Yes, beautiful. And guys select this glow, Control D. Yes, beautiful. And again Control D. Yes, see guys, that's my glow effect, right? Okay, so now guys, this time I create camera movement animation. So select this camera and guys select this P, that's my P position, so check, and guys go to 20-second. Yeah guys, I change this one like quarter, so go to here, press C and go to back. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and guys rotate. Guys, I create randomly camera movement animation. Yeah, like this. Yes. And guys, screen size auto. Yes, beautiful. Right? Okay, so now guys, this time I apply this one, depth of field effect. Yes, and depth of field on. Yeah, and guys focus distance manually change, and guys aperture like 50. Yes, and guys go to here 0 frame and focus distance check. Yeah, and guys unfold all, select this camera and press U. Guys focus distance I change to like 700. Guys now I go to 3 second here like this. Yeah, and guys again change manually focus 800. Guys this time, guys my focus is really good. I go to 5 second. Yeah, focus is good, so click on here keyframe, and guys go to, guys now I go to 8 second, 8 frame. Yeah, focus is good, and select this keyframe and go to 11 second. Guys that's my manually change focus, and guys see that's my beautiful brightness light. Yes, good. And guys go to 14 second. Yeah, and guys this time and change focus like 1000. Yeah, yes, see guys, right? And guys more. Yes, beautiful. And now guys I go to 17 second. Yes, and focus is good, see guys, and select this keyframe. So guys go to last one, 20 second. Yeah, and focus this time change to like 800. I like this one focus, right? Okay, see guys that's my simple effect, and guys more like 600. Yes, beautiful, right? Okay, see guys that's my lighting effect. And now, so guys now I apply optical flare light, so go to solid layer and type light. So select this light and go to effect and apply optical flare light. Yeah, and guys again save. So click on here option, and guys you can take any light like this. So go to back and go to full frame, and I like this one light, so press OK. So go on here. Yes, right? So guys select this, and guys also change mode add. Yeah, and control D, select this light, and guys select this optical flare and go to on here right side. Yeah, good, right? Okay, so now guys last one, last step, I use light, this one, and guys use point light, and color I like blue light. Yeah, and guys intensity I like 2000. That's my light, right? It's beautiful effect. Okay, so also guys last one, you can use background. So go to solid layer and use BG, that's my background, and go to last one, and guys apply ramp effect. Ramp, select this gradient ramp and apply. Yeah, so guys select this BG background, and guys take dark color like this, and blue one, dark blue like this. Yeah, and press OK. right? Okay, so guys, select this anchor point, go to here like this and create shape like this. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful background, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. See guys, that's my final effect. And guys, you can download this project file from my website. It's free. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.